I am so excited to be back at French Prairie Gardens with Katie. And Katie, today is beginning of Berries, Brews, and BBQ, which everything's happening just like normal.
Oh yeah, it's back. Everything's going on like we normally do, and that's what we missed last year. But we're gonna have live music again this year. Of course, opportunity to pick strawberries.
These are amazing.
Lots of fun stuff for the kids. Obstacle course, tractor wagon ride, pig barrel train rides, and of course for mom and dad, beer and cider, and plenty of it. I think we have over 22 different varieties this year.
That's amazing. And so what is just a little bit different this year?
A little different is we have to kind of number how many people we have here on the farm, which is great because it's going to feel like we have the place to yourself. But we're going to do that by doing time ticketing. So book your 3-hour window. Do that online on our website. You can even book your food there, get your mug, get your bucket. So all you have to do is show up and have fun.
You know, that's so nice because I know in the past it's so crowded that maybe if you came later, you didn't get those ribs.
That's correct.
And so now you are assured of getting what you would like to eat with your family.
That's correct. Yeah, you can choose your barbecue meal plate or your chicken dinner, book that online, get your tasting tickets, your mugs, your entry in. Everything is at your fingertips at home.
And you need to tell us about these strawberries because I don't know if I've ever seen strawberries this big, and they're so fragrant. They're just wonderful.
They are, and strawberry season is just kind of getting underway. So the best picking would be if you come this weekend or maybe next weekend. Father's Day we still will have some, but you know that's more about the experience. Kind of you're going to be all over the field hunting, and pecking, but you know I picked strawberries as a kid, and that's kind of what it's about.
It is fun because there's nothing better than fresh strawberries.
That's correct, and you know family fun where you can have your kids here, feel safe out in the country.
Definitely.
And of course, if you haven't gotten any of your basket yet, we obviously still have plenty, and most of them are on sale.
So the festival is just happening on the weekends, but what happens during the week?
Well, we're closed on Monday, but we're here Tuesday through Friday, and the garden center is always open, the farm market's open, we all have great goodies from the bakery, and we always have our strawberry shortcake, we have a variety of scones, strawberry of course right now, strawberry pie, strawberry rhubarb pie, and strawberry donuts too.
Whoa. Well, you know, this is the place to come with your family. We all want to be safe. We want to be with our friends and family. And this is the place to come and enjoy yourself. Be out in the country. It's just wide open. You can just run around and just have a great time and have a wonderful meal. So if you have any other questions, please go to Garden Time. We'll click over to their Facebook page or to their website, and you can get your reservations for the next 3 weekends. Thanks so much.